we'll be looking into the three most fundamental central tendency that we can begin with: mean, median, and mode. Mean is the basic idea of taking average. That is, we'll take the sum of all the values and look at the number of values and divide them. So basically, if I have to say put it as an situation, we have three people and they have different amount of money. One has 20, other has 30, and one more person has 40. So if we do take the money from all of them, so we'll have 20, 30 and 40 and put it together. So that will be how much? So that will be 90, and give it back to them equally. So each will get 30, is it not? This is nothing but your average. This value of 30 is the average. So if we have to find the mean of 20, 30 and 40, we need to find the sum of all of them. So sum of all of them would be again 20 plus 30 plus 40, that would be 90. Number of values, there are three of them. The mean is 90 by 3, that is 30. Okay, so this is mean, that's it. There's nothing fancy about it. It's very simple, straightforward. Then how do you represent this? So this we can represent in this manner. Mean is generally represented as x bar. It's represented as x bar. Summation of all values, we represent it as in this manner. This is summation of xi, and number of values is say n. Okay, so x bar is mean. This is nothing but summation. Xi is your values and n represent number of terms. This is a case of ungrouped table data. So this is a case of ungrouped data. For group data, just a second, I'll finish this off. This is represented with n. This is for ungrouped data. Whatever I showed you was a case of ungrouped data. For group data, this is how it will look. Mean of group data. So we need to recall class mark. It is a mean of a class interval. That is 10 and 20 are your classes. So not 10 and 20, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. All these are your class intervals. The average of this, that is 0 and 10, 5. This is 15, 25, 35, 45. All these are your class mark. Now, what is the procedure of finding the mean over here? First is finding the class mark. We did that. Take the product of class mark and their respective frequency. So for the class mark of 5, the frequency is 3 and the product is 15. 15 and 10, it is 150. 25 and 4 is 100. This is 35 and that's 90. Okay, we took the product. Find the sum of the above steps result. So we need to find the sum of this. So this will be 0, no, this will be 5, no, 10 only. Then we have, I didn't write it neat. Okay, 90, 125, 125, 140, 140, 240 and 390. Hopefully I did that right. I just want to confirm. Right, 390, that's correct. Do write it neater. Then what else? Then, oh yeah, procedure, right? So we did this, did this. Find the total of the frequency. So this is your, okay, this is your frequency. You need to find the total over there as well. This will be this and this and this 20 basically, right? 4, 5 and 5, 10, 20. Okay, that's good. Then we have divide the above two results. So we need to divide this. So 300 by 20, that is 118.5. This result is your mean. X bar is equal to this. So basically it is nothing but summation of product of class mark and their respective frequency and divided by the total of the frequency table. Okay. So representing this with symbols again is important. So class mark is generally represented as xi, frequency is fi. This table would be S. Can you guess? Xi into fi. And then the mean here would be represented as x bar is equal to summation of product of class mark and frequencies xi fi, right? And total of frequency table is again there too, total means summation, frequency is fi. Okay, so here we have summation of xi fi and here we have summation of fi. So this is your mean. Okay, so well, I would like you guys to start from here. Do write down, because there are new things that you are coming across, that is symbolic representation and all of this. This you need to understand. Summation is nothing but sum of things, right? Sum of, right? Not of. Okay, just let me write it here as well. This is x bar, summation is this, product of xi and fi, and total frequency is, total is again summation, frequency is fi.